this. Watch this.
She just gotta be behind the gate.
Watch this.
We gotta back up too, cause he going on this track.
He going on main track too?
Yeah, he diverging. I mean, I'm getting too used to Norfolk Southern. I'm getting used to Norfolk.
Oh, he on main track 1.
No, he's switching to main.
Oh, he's switching. Come on, we all work for the train. That's why we on the train track. Come on. Time out. Oh, my fault.
Yeah, get right here.
Oh, God.
Come on, get right here.
Come on, back up.
Bro, I wish those trees wasn't there so I could actually see them. Cause that's what they get. Now we get to finally see trains from over here. Cause once he passed.
No, the man said she wanna go home.
Take her home.
I can't take her home.
Take me.
You don't know the way.
Yes, he do. We the one that walked over here. Bet. Yeah, we taking her home and coming back.
Yeah.